Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. This is dark green color. This is pink color, black color, sky blue color, yellow color, red color, light green color, blue color, brown color, orange color, silver color, blue color, and purple color. Let's learn the small case alphabets from A to Z. Let's begin. A is for apricot. B is for bus. C is for cart. D is for dump truck. E is for elbow. F is for farm. G is for garden. H for hand. I is for ice cream. J is for jaw. K is for kidney. L is for leather. M is for mat. N is for nose. O is for oat. P is for pencil. Q is for quit. R is for rub. S is for salt. T is for talent. U is for umbrella. V is for volcano. W is for window. X is for x-rays. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zebra. Let's read them one more time. Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, colorful small case alphabets. Bye bye. See you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.